Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we'll be doing the project overview of Vian Vayu, which is located in Kollur, Hyderabad, a project developed by Vian Properties. And in this video, we are about to discuss about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, large discount offers, and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. And right now, we are here at the Experience Center of Vian Vayu, and this is the marketing office of the project. And the land parcel is just behind the marketing office itself. Now, let me introduce you with Housey. So, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now about the project overview, and this project is spread across 1.72 acres of land parcel consisting of 2 towers, each tower of 4 basements tilt plus 35 floors, having exclusive purely 3 BHK premium residencies. Now about the location part, and the project is exactly located on proposed 100-feet road in Kollur, Hyderabad. And let me show you that this is the proposed 100-feet road. So basically this road will directly connect you to ORR. Now about the further connectivity, so you can connect to ORR exit number 2 in just 2 minutes. Neopolis is 15 minutes away. Financial District 20 minutes away. Wipro Circle is 25 minutes away. And Rajiv Gandhi International Airport is 45 minutes from the location of the project. Now, about the amenities part, and the project provides you world-class amenities like a clubhouse, kids play area, fitness center, garden area, swimming pool, gymnasium, and many more amenities. Now coming to the super built-up area, so the project provides you 3 BHK premium residencies. 3 BHK starting from 1790 to 2150 square feet super built-up area. And now about the booking process. So the project booking window is operational right now. So we are inviting our interested client to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and we'll show you the actual land parcel of the project itself. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of Vian Vayu, which is located in Kollur, Hyderabad, a project developed by Vian Properties.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.